Central Michigan University is known for its diverse range of courses that cater to the needs of students from all walks of life. With over 300 undergraduate, graduate, and doctoral programs, it can be overwhelming for students to choose the right course. That's where Study Metro comes in.
I have no idea which program to choose. There are so many options, and I'm not sure which one is right for me.
Hi there, I'm a representative from Study Metro. We help students like you choose the right course and university based on their preferences, interests, and goals.
That sounds great. Can you tell me more about the most popular programs at Central Michigan University?
Sure, Central Michigan University offers a range of programs across various disciplines. Here are some of the most popular programs: Computer Science, Information Systems, Business Data Analytics, Business Administration, Health Professions and Related Programs, Education, Psychology, Biological and Biomedical Sciences. These courses have consistently been in demand over the years, and Central Michigan University has some of the best faculty and resources to help students excel in their chosen field.
That's helpful, but how can Study Metro help me choose the right course and university?
Our team of experienced counselors will assess your interests, skills, and career aspirations to suggest programs and universities that are the best fit for you. We also provide assistance with the admission process, visa, accommodation, and other aspects of studying abroad.
Wow, that sounds like a one-stop solution for all my study abroad needs. Thank you, Study Metro.
Whether you are looking to pursue a degree in business, health professions, education, psychology, or biological and biomedical sciences, Central Michigan University has something for everyone. And with the help of Study Metro, you can make an informed decision and embark on a rewarding academic journey. Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.